Today, I'll show you how to draw on PowerPoint during a presentation. Whether you're trying to emphasize a point or add a dynamic element to your slides, knowing how to draw directly on your presentation can be a game changer. Let's dive in so you can make your next presentation even more engaging. First, you'll want to start your slideshow. To do this, navigate to the Slideshow tab in PowerPoint. Once you're there, you can either click on From Beginning or simply press the F5 key on your keyboard. This will launch your presentation from the start, setting the stage for you to interact with your audience in a more dynamic way. Moving on, you'll need to access the toolbar that allows you to draw. To find this, gently glide your mouse toward the bottom left corner of your screen. As you do so, a small, semi-transparent toolbar will make an appearance. This toolbar is your gateway to various tools that let you annotate your slides. Once the toolbar is visible, it's time to select your drawing tool. Look for an icon that resembles either a pen or an arrow. Clicking on this icon will bring up a menu with a few options. Here, you have the choice between a pen and a highlighter. The pen is your standard tool for drawing or writing. It's perfect for jotting down notes or underlining key information in real time. Meanwhile, the highlighter is a semi-transparent tool that's ideal for emphasizing text without completely obscuring it. This can be particularly useful when you want to draw attention to specific words or phrases while still keeping them readable. Now that you've selected your tool, it's time to start drawing. Click and hold down your mouse button, then drag it anywhere on your slide to begin. This allows you to draw freely, adding circles, arrows, or any other shapes that might help clarify your points. The fluidity of drawing directly on your slides can make your presentation feel more interactive and tailored to your audience's needs. As you draw, you might find it helpful to practice a bit before your actual presentation. This can help you get accustomed to the feel of drawing with a mouse or trackpad, ensuring that your annotations are smooth and precise when it counts. Remember, these drawings are only temporary and will reset when you move to the next slide. This feature can be both a blessing and a curse. On the one hand, it keeps your slides clean for future presentations. On the other hand, if you want to save your annotations, you'll need to take a screenshot before advancing to the next slide. With these steps, you now have the tools to make your presentations more interactive and visually appealing. Drawing on your slides can transform a standard presentation into a dynamic and engaging experience for your audience. It allows you to underscore points in a way that's both clear and memorable. So, the next time you're gearing up for a presentation, remember these steps. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to seamlessly incorporate drawings and annotations, making your points stand out and leaving a lasting impression. Happy presenting!